Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Carly.
And I'm Ange.
And today we're watching My Hero Academia Season 8, Episode 4.
Bakugo continues his assault of All For One. Actually, during the fight, All For One recognized Bakugo to look like the second wielder of One For All. Kudo, I believe his name is. There were similarities in the way they look. I don't know if they're going to build on that in this episode, but things seem to be slowly unraveling for All For One at the moment. But anyway, should we get into it?
Let's get into it.
Just All For One's brother?
It's a female.
It's female. Well, it's their mum. Close. Well, I think we know which brother copped all that beer.
Oh, what the hell?
Grim, man. What the heck is that?
Oh my gosh.
Who's that, Carly? Tell us all.
All for one shoning.
Keep his bloody unhinged, man. What the heck? Wow. He could not help it. He couldn't control it.
Evil by nature.
He still can't control it. But this is foreshadowing. This is going to be what he turns into. We're going to see this.
Yeah, he's going to go back to his roots. I thought, like, you know, maybe he gets younger. He gets, like, less evil.
I told everyone it's the Kid Buu situation.
Yeah, he was so much bigger than the other brother. Okay. It's unfortunate.
This is why he wants One For All so bad. In a way.
He wants it all, yeah.
Well, he thinks he's owed his brother back.
Oh my gosh.
Wow. It was nothing like that. Bait is so freaky, man. Oh, but that's nice.
Whoa. Oh no. I gotta pick out all the bad possible messages. But he gets a beat in the end, I bet.
Yeah, I feel like he missed that part where the villain loses.
Wow. He dealt with a lot of this.
For all the wrong reasons. Dude is so sick, man. Wow, he named him. Did we know that? I can't unsee it now.
Oh no. Like twins.
This is why he hates him so much as well.
Yeah. Like real personal with this one. You won't be anyone's.
This is why it's personal with him too. Wow.
The hell?
So he started the rebellion too, or the first rebellion, it seemed, against him. He didn't realize that was going to be the thorn in his backside, though. Dude, his backstory is so good, by the way.
Yeah.
Facts.
Tragedy.
He created his worst enemy, man. Yeah, it gets further and further away. So ironic. Now he's saying shit. Yeah, he's second guessing himself. I love that he looks like him. He's gonna give him the beat down. Okay, so he can still think logically, unfortunately. Oh, no. Forget it.
Okay, good. This is where we're gonna shine. Oh dear.
Oh shit.
Ew.
Oh, he's using it.
Oh no.
Oh shit.
Okay.
He's going for the finishing move already?
Bakugo will not let this happen. Oh.
What's he gonna do?
I don't know.
Dude, look at that thing!
What the heck? It's like a human bullet. What the heck is going on?
Is some of his sweat get on him or some shit?
Yeah?
Wow. Let's go.
Wow!
Wow, it was there. Shit.
Oh, go off.
Exactly.
It just
Facts.
needs one.
I love that, man.
So ugly.
Yeah, see, he still thinks he's the main character.
Yeah. Just an extra. I think not.
Did he grab him?
It sounded like it. Oh my gosh.
That's us right now, man.
Uh-oh.
Wait, hey!
No.
Was half of his body missing? What's going on? Oh, dude, this looks sick.
Yeah, shut up! He's falling apart!
Yeah,
No, it's because Bakugo's so strong. Wait.
Oh shit, he's not in control. I didn't expect Hawks to.
No!
Oh shit.
Oh. No one's gonna read it. Well, everyone is.
That's so sick.
Yeah.
Oh, dude! Shit! He said our story
Our
too.
story.
Come on, man! He's about to lose.
Yes.
Shigaraki's up. Shigaraki's up. He's so sick and twisted, man.
Oh my gosh. This is so freaking creepy. How's he gonna finish a baby off?
He knows what he is. I think Bakugo's... he's done now. It's on to Deku and Shigaraki now.
Oh my gosh!
That was the finishing move.
What the hell? Oh!
Facts!
Go to bed, baby. Oh, it's so creepy.
What is this horror shit, man?
Oh my god. No! I can't watch.
Oh my gosh, what now? All feed as one.
You didn't have to.
Is he finished?
Oh.
Yes, man! He actually took him out. There's no shot. It looks like Bakugo was successful. He took down All For One. He's finally gone. And I thought it was fitting to get the true backstory to the main villain in the same episode that we were going to lose him. Mm-hmm. Because as he was getting younger, for the backstory to go all the way back in time to when he was literally like pretty much born, I think it just worked perfectly. It sort of just tied in really nicely. Yeah,
it kind of answered a lot of questions that I had. Not specific questions, but just my understanding of their upbringing even. That like cleared up a lot for me.
He just thought everything was owed to him.
And he had like possession over people.
Yes.
He couldn't even for 1 second understand how another person might be thinking. And he couldn't fathom that any opinion other than his own was, correct.
Well, yeah, it wasn't just that. I liked the theme of, like, Bakugo being the one to take him out because Bakugo was so, like, he loved himself a lot, right? And he's one quirk. And it showed, like, how mastering the one quirk ended up really winning out over the dude that was trying to take everything and every bloody quirk under the sun and didn't really fully understand how to master any of those. And I also like the symmetry with Bakugo looking like the first one who sort of started the first rebellion, or it was the first time that One For All was passed on, and it was to Kudo. Was that his name? Kudo? Yeah.
I think so, yeah.
So that's why he's like, that face is really embedded into, or was embedded into All For One's sort of psyche, right? And just finding out that he wanted One For All so bad because he wanted ownership of his brother, or felt like it was owed to him. Sick, man. Like
he was rotten to the core.
Yeah.
And I like how they showed that.
Correct.
Like he was born evil.
Yeah. Yeah, I really, really liked that backstory. I thought it was perfect. And All For One was a great villain.
Yeah.
It looks like he's finally done. And now we're going to move the focus finally to the main character. It's going to be Deku, Shigaraki. All For One, I'm going to say that like he's done. That's Bakugo's win there.
Yeah. He disappeared like from existence.
He was even trying to, in the end, still wrestle for control. Like he wasn't even thinking about trying to stay alive. He was trying to like gain control back from Shigaraki and shit. Mate really went out the same way he sort of came in.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
Like, I really liked all of that. I think the author does a good job of sort of, tying up a lot of the symbolism that he introduces in the story and then bringing it back to present time and all of that. Really well done. And I'm really looking forward to Deku's involvement in the story. Bakugo, again, MVP for the episode for sure. Like,
he killed it. And like the fist at the end, nice cherry on top.
Fist at the end with All Might's armor that he gave him. And then also Bakugo finally really acknowledging everyone around him entirely. Like, there was that as well. Our story, love that moment.
Yeah, he said that he could never do it alone, and I think that's like Bakugo's power, whereas All for One just wanted everything for himself.
Yeah, that was the cherry on top for Bakugo to finally, or him acknowledging everyone else around him, but was able to get him the win as well in the end. It was really sick, and I'm so happy he got the W against All for One. He's got that on his CV now, so that is really sick.
Well, Hawks kind of vocalized it. He said that, I think, all the quirks returning to the original users would be too good to be true, and he doesn't think it's happening. But the fact that it was said is making me hope that it might. They might all return.
Yeah, we saw them all there, and Hawks was the spokesperson, I guess, for that. But like, it gives you a little bit of hope, but I'm not entirely sure. It would be a nice way to end things off.
Mm-hmm.
That would be nice, so that All for One really didn't get any victory whatsoever.
Yes.
It's a complete win for the good guys.
So great.
Yeah, we'll have to wait and see on that.
Thank you so much for watching our reaction. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. It would really help us out. For early access to all of our reactions, you can support us on Patreon if you'd like. And yeah, thank you so much again. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.